Today, I want to share this folding Adirondack chair, and I have to say I'm really impressed with both the quality and the design. When it arrived, it came with everything needed for assembly, including the hardware and instructions. I was able to put it together myself in about 30 minutes, and the process was straightforward and easy to follow. The first thing I noticed once it was assembled was how solid and well made it feels. It's constructed from premium HDPE material with a beautiful wood grain texture that gives it the look of real wood without all the maintenance that comes with traditional wooden outdoor furniture. The craftsmanship is excellent with sturdy construction, smooth finishes, and a substantial feel that immediately gives you confidence in its durability. I also love that it's designed to withstand the elements. Since it's made from all-weather HDPE, it resists fading, cracking, moisture, and everyday outdoor wear, making it a great option for patios, decks, gardens, fire pit areas, or backyard seating. Comfort-wise, this chair really delivers. The high countered backrest, wide seat, and oversized armrest makes it incredibly comfortable to sit in and relax. Whether you're enjoying your morning coffee, reading a book, or sitting around the fire pit in the evening, it provides excellent support. One feature I especially appreciate is the built-in cup holder. It folds down neatly when needed and keeps your drink close by without taking up extra space. It's perfect for coffee, cold drinks, water bottle, or even a glass of wine while relaxing outdoors. Another big advantage is the folding design. When you're not using it, the chair folds flat in seconds, making storage incredibly easy. It takes up much less space in a garage or shed, and it's even convenient to transport if you want to bring it to the cottage, campground, or another outdoor gathering. Overall, this chair combines comfort, durability, practicality, and beautiful design in one package. It has a classic Adirondack look with modern materials that make it easy to maintain and enjoy for years to come. And thank you to the brand for the opportunity to try and share this chair with you today.